Okay guys, take two. There's Neptune's. Made a bit of bog up with the other one. There's Morgan's Tavern. Don't stop still, they're skinned up. Come on. Last stop bar. Food used to be really good in there. I know if you've been in there since it reopened, guys, let us know what the food's like. Right, Kiki. Also know a few people in. Obviously football on tonight, so
karaoke as well.
Yeah, they've got karaoke going over there, I think. Rudor Hotel reopened. I'm watching for where I fall down the step now. Yeah, it does look like that they've changed the entrance round. I think there's a back entrance there now, and that's going to be the main entrance there. I've done a good job with this, not took too long doing it. I think it's only been out a couple of months. They've done a lot of work on this. The garden's nice. I'm not going to fall down that step now.
Third day, Michael.
Thank you, Marcus. Sort of realise that now. Yeah, they've got a scooter bay there. I take it there's charging in there as well. So, yeah, if you're in there and you're using a mobility scooter, let us know. Is there charging bays in there as well? Is that just where you can park them? Okay, moving on, guys. Palladium down there, and a black chicken.
Taxi up your arse, Michael.
What's one of these frigging Well, I'm getting run over by white cars tonight. That makes a change. Sometimes I've nearly been killed down here. Yeah, it looks like one of the bars have shut up down there. Looks like the back chicken's open. I'm in the right place there, Marcus, yeah? Yeah, sorry about that, guys. Right, we've got JJ's there.
Heeft hij allemaal over om jou te worden? Hij wil jou allemaal dingen.
JJ's has lost the J. Oh no, it's around the corner. And we got John and Joseph there, which we didn't think would be back open. Yeah, brilliant. Well, they haven't had new signs, they've just had it cleaned, I think. They definitely took it off the other week. Well, they've had a new one made, I don't know. So there, JJ's still got their two J's, look. Great food in there. We haven't tried the other one yet, but yeah, we will do, I'm sure. Do a review in there. Plenty of place to get stuff to eat. And
we've got some fans coming up.
Yeah, I think we've got some fans coming up again. Westerstone Bar, back open, back at it, back packed. Yeah, I've had the football on tonight by the looks of it.
Free entry, boys. Desire.
There we go. See what the lads doing.
That's the bad bit.
Feel better of it. Feel better of it, I think.
I told you, you need to go home.
I thought he was going to start swinging along there or something. On we go. Where are we now? We really are doing this video tonight. Done loads of videos today. It's the hardest one we've done. Hotel California. They've got a few in. They've got not got many in unless they're in the back. Got shows on. They've got a few shows on tonight, so this will be the last one I do tonight. My voice is a bit sore. I've done about 30 videos today, I think. Got a few channels to put them up on now though, so.
I think we've got some more fans, Dad.
Okay, guys. Okay, guys, this is turning quite a video, this one. It's only going to be about 10 minutes. It took me about an hour to do it. Keep me bumping into people. There we go. Right, we're up by the Crown now. Can do a shout out to Rangers fans we just met. Tina,
Ashley,
I'm sure it was Ashley. Yeah, anyway, sorry girls. And Mandy, we just met outside the Hotel California. God. One boy's like I said. Got to stay with us as well, she always remembers stuff. So yeah, there's the Crown Club. They're going quite well tonight. Well, I'm going to end the video here. So just over the road. It's pretty busy down this end, a bit quiet up the top. Yeah, we'll end the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll be back to do more of these videos, I'm sure. We'll see you on the next one, guys. Bye.